It is December 24th. We just got done basically hanging out with my in-laws. It's 2:27 right now, and they dropped off a couple of our gifts, but we're going to their house tomorrow for dinner. So I'm actually going to pull out their presents and put it in a clothes basket, so that way we can just take it and easily transport it to and fro tomorrow when we go over to their house for dinner. So I'm probably going to do a little montage real fast of that. But happy Christmas Eve, and let's hop right into it. So this is all gifts so far for the Edmonds on FaceTime. I have a Baxter, have a heater, and then this is the extended family that I've pulled out so far. But I just realized that the Christmas Eve service is at 4 and it's like 3, so I need to go figure out if we're going / what I'm going to wear. Update is 2:57 now. We're ending up going, and I just put on vitamin C face cream because it is so freaking dry outside. The wind is like burning your skin. I feel like you would get, I was talking to my mother-in-law, and we were like, we feel like you just get frostbite from being outside for too long. It is that crazy. So kind of do a walkthrough makeup currently. If you've watched my old stuff, I'm pretty sure I've used this. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. It is the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Conceal. You either love this one or you hate it, and I love it. I feel like it's pretty full coverage. It's like $8, maybe $7-8 at Walmart, and I'm just using one of these Eco Tools angled foundation brushes. I love these. I love the foundation brushes more than sponges, I think, now. But I'm not going super crazy full coverage on this because I have a feeling that my skin is just literally just so dry, even with putting on moisturizer. And I left my primer at work. Next thing I'm going to do is this Makeup Revolution pressed powder. Do you need to come in here?
No, I'll just flex.
Oh, okay. That's my husband. And I'm going to just put that over top. Hopefully this will be like a 5-minute makeup thing. Pulling out everything. The most tedious time thing would be getting out all of the brushes and finding everything first, because I don't have this drawer organized. But regardless, this is a NYX California Beaming Bronzer. And this is in the shade Free Spirit. And I'm taking a, Real Technique brush. And I'm going super high with this. Gonna put this on my nose. Kind of curve that. Curve that. Curve. Curve, curve. I need to find my little blush. The blush I'm using is Stocking Stuffer by Tarte, and it's like your natural flush of your cheek, I would say, and I'm putting that on the end of where I put all that. It looks crazy. Trust the process. Just trust me. It's probably not the best, but you know what they say, it'll get the job done. Next thing I'm looking for, well, all of my brushes are like all over the place, but I'm just going to go back in with that fluffy brush that I did for the press powder, and I'm going to put that and kind of make my face look snatched. I already put on mascara earlier today, and it is Wet n Wild. It's a new one. I don't know if I like it or not. It's not as good as like my other stuff I use. Okay. Blend that. Blend it up. Blend it up your cheeks. It's cold as heck. It snowed, so there's snow on the ground. And I I don't know what to wear, but needless to say, this is, if I wasn't talking and I had everything done, I can have everything done in 5 minutes, I'd say. Then I have Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. I want to swipe it across my eyelids, over top of my lips. Oh gosh, I'm a little crazy with that. And I have a gloss. I don't know. Okay, so I don't even know what this is. This is Matte Kissable. Some random lipstick I had. I'll throw that on. I just picked, what was that? The top. I'm gonna put on some more blush because I look pale as crap. And this is an Ulta tinted lip oil. It came in their kit like last Christmas. Or maybe a Christmas before, I don't even know. So that was the lip combo for today. And where's that blush? Let's just warm those cheeks a little bit more. It's cold outside. I really can't stay. Baby, it's cold outside. Okay, so makeup is done. Woohoo! Hair is already done. I've got ready in less than 15 minutes. Personal record? Maybe. Okay, so Dylan is watching TV, but real fast, my OOTD. This is from Walmart. This necklace got from Dara. This ring from Poland. This one Dylan made. I thrifted the dress. This is a Tory Burch, shoot, what is this called? A Tory Burch belt. And over the knee boots are from, not Label Shopper, but something along those lines. And then I think I want to add a coat that well, since it's cold outside, I guess I'll add this too with it. This scarf is from Walmart a couple seasons ago. And this coat I know is from Bargain Hunter down in Johnson City. Oh, you look handsome.
Where's my belt?
It's right there, yeah. Okay. Nice.
Right behind you.
Huh?
Right behind you.
You want boots?
Yeah, I was just asking if you knew where they were at. My betrothed.
You look very beautiful. Can I show your fit in my vlog? Vlog?
Yeah, why don't you let me get it? Ready?
What up, OTD? We just got back from Christmas Eve service. We got Chinese takeout, and we are about to enjoy. Anyways, we just got the ham wrapped up, ready to go, and we are going to put it in and cook it tonight, so that way we can do the baked mac and cheese tomorrow.
Just like your dad. Like your papa, little boy. He a woman, not a fighter, Max. Sweet the legs. Sweet the legs. Sweet the legs.
Okay, I worked on some laundry, but I have to get the, what is it? The ham out of the oven. So, I have multiple layers of pants on underneath this because our house, no matter what it's on, it's just freezing. I left it in a little bit longer than what it's supposed to be. Okay. I think I'm getting used to like making hams. I've never made a ham until I got married. My mom always did it for big events. Let's readjust you. So last time I did this, it says that you are supposed to broil this. Like put this glaze on and broil it. That was a freaking mistake. I burnt it, so we're not doing that again. So we're gonna cover up each little row. We're gonna base it with its juices, its own natural juices. I did this for like 10 minutes last time, just going through doing this, but I feel like it just regardless falls back down to the bottom. So, not really sure about that one. Dylan's working out downstairs, so if you hear something, it is in fact Dylan. I don't think this is helping. So we're just going to throw this bad boy on. So this is a brown sugar glaze. And I'm just going to sprinkle this on top to begin. Then, because there's literally so much, get some of that stuff, that juices. Open it up. Then I'm just going to I'm putting the juices over top of that to kind of make the powder not get crispy. It's going to kind of sink into it. Last night I ended up watching all 10 episodes of the new season of Emily in Paris, so I really didn't vlog much. So today I'm trying to take it easy. Dylan's parents came over and gave us some gifts that were just so big that we don't really have a vehicle to move them from their house to ours. So we did that. Then we went to the New Year's Eve service. I'll put like a little photo of some of the pictures we took. I tried to Photoshop tonight fake nails onto my picture. Dylan's not a big fan of it. He says it looks fake. But I'm still gonna probably post it because my nails look a little crazy. I might go over my nails tonight, but I gotta make a cake after this. I'm gonna put this back in the oven for 10 minutes just so that we can kind of like glaze, I guess, if you will, bake in. So I'm watching Harry and Meghan, but this is what it looks like in here. I got some of these gifts we need to put away. But these are the gifts that need to go to his parents' house. My parents are coming over first thing in the morning. We're going to vacuum up a couple places here. And I'm going to show you this, because this is what I got at a local thrift store here. And this is a Scentsy little thing. And it is so stinking cute. But Christmas. So Dylan and I stayed up past midnight on Christmas Eve, and what we decided to do is open up our gifts basically first thing at like 12 in the morning. So this just kind of shows our little gift exchange to one another. And then we had Baxter tied up on little house lead over on the side. But we did get Baxter a couple gifts. And this first gift that we gave him, he actually opened up by himself predominantly, and he was in love with it. It was a little Santa toy. Then with this one, we got him a second one that had a bunch of treats in it, and Baxter is very food motivated, but he did not want to open up the second box because he wanted to play with that little Santa Claus. And normally Baxter has a tendency of only having a plush toy for about a week or two. And so far, with doing this voiceover, he is doing pretty good, and it's still in good condition. But with the treat box, Dylan actually ended up opening it for him. And then whenever we eventually got it out, he was obsessed with one little treat specifically that was in there. And it was a stick. You'll see it here in a couple clips. But on Christmas Day, I didn't film it because we just enjoyed time. For lunch, my family, my mom, dad, my sister, and my Meemaw came over, and we had lunch and opened gifts with one another. We made homemade gingerbread cookies. And then once that was done, we headed over to Dylan's parents to have dinner with his parents, his stepsister, a little nephew, and then my mother-in-law's dad and brother. And that was really nice and calm and peaceful. We definitely overate, but we hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and we wish you nothing but the best of luck in the new year from the Delp household to yours. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas, and we'll see you again with Vlogmas next year.